welcome back to my channel. Today it is May 7th, 2023. I am enjoying a nice iced lavender latte with oat milk at the Mill Valley Lumber Co. It's hitting really good right now. There's something seriously so magical about this place. Flower Craft Bakery forever. So today's gonna be a really nice and chill day. I came out here, if you saw in my last video, I surprised my grandma for her 84th birthday. She had no idea I was coming out and her reaction was priceless. I came here on the 4th, I leave in 2 days, which will be the 9th of May, and I've just had such a lovely time. I love spending time here, I love spending time with my grandma. I just figured today I would pick up the camera and just vlog. I think we're going to get Italian food for dinner tonight. Yeah, just wanted to show y'all what we're up to. I'm gonna do some makeup right now. I just put in my contacts. This whole month of May is going to be so crazy. Let's just start off with what's going on. So I get back on the 9th of May. The 11th, I'm taking my godmother out and my godfather as well to a Mother's Day brunch, because even though my godmother doesn't have kids, I see her as a very big motherly role in my life, and so I made reservations at this place called Tupelo and Honey in Boise, Idaho, and it's so good. It's like southern brunch comfort food. And then so that's on the 11th, and then on the 12th, I've got an early flight to Houston, Texas for a work trip, because this month is AAPI. A clothing brand was kind enough to invite me to this event and be a part of it, and so I'll be in Houston from the 12th to the 15th. The 16th will be a full day of laundry and packing everything, because on the 17th, I am going to Texas for like a month and a half, which is where my family is, where I grew up, all that stuff. I'm so excited to be back because Matcha has been in Texas this whole time since Easter, and I call my parents like 3 times every day because I miss him so much, and I feel like he's getting bigger every time I see him. And then once we get to Texas, we're immediately gonna turn around and go to Colorado for Catherine's graduation. It's funny because my video where I wrote a song for my sister when she graduated high school and went to the Air Force, it's resurfacing again. Even though I'm very proud of that video and I love the fact that it did really well, I look absolutely foul in it, and it's it's kind of embarrassing sometimes. I've been getting a lot of notifications that it's been resurfacing again, which is always really fun to hear, because it's almost like things have made full circle because she's graduating from the Air Force Academy now. Also, side note, I've tried a lot of foundations in my life, and this one never fails to impress me. This is the MAC Studio Fluid SPF 15. I already put lots of sunscreen on my face beforehand. The Elta MD and Supergoop are my favorites. This foundation has SPF, which is really nice. Yesterday we went to the Corte Madera Mall, and I finally bought the Skims dress that I have been wanting for so long. It's just the black spaghetti strap one. I'll insert a video in case you didn't see it on my Instagram, but I bought that, and then I got a pair of Billabong jeans, which is my first pair from Billabong, but they fit really nicely. And what else? Oh, I got a bikini set. It's a pattern that I've never had before, and it's from the brand O'Neill, which is a really good surfing company. You know I love a good shopping day. I realized the other day how I basically have been doing long distance with my 2 best friends, and it's just the craziest thing. Like, I haven't seen them both in almost a year. I'm gonna finish my makeup off camera, but time check, it's 9:08 and church is at 11 o'clock, which my grandma and I are going to be going together today. I will show you guys the inside of the church because it is absolutely gorgeous, and fun fact, it's where my dad ended up altar serving, and he grew up going to that church as well. So I will see you guys when I finish my face.
It's a big Chinese oratory.
Where are we going?
We're on our way to Mass at Our Lady of Mount Carmel.
We had quite the adventure with parking, but we made it.
The parking lot's full now that we've reduced the number of masses.
Time to go praise the Lord. Just got back from eating Super Duper, and my cousin Brian came over, and Nana and him are gardening right now over there. My aunt is about to come over, and then we're gonna go on a walk. Super Duper was really good. I got a veggie burger. Monday, everyone. Nana and I are getting a quick refill of gas at the gas station, and then we're gonna go to Corte Madera Mall and get some coffee, do a little shopping. Here's Nana.
Who's that? Who is it? Hello?
Dad, if you're watching this, we're getting you your Jacob Wonder Bar today because we know how much you love it. Also, I'm wearing my new Billabong jeans, which for anybody who hates the feeling of sitting down and not being able to eat anything in jeans because it's literally suffocating, you need to get Billabong jeans because this is my first pair and I'm actually in love with them. They are so, so comfortable. I don't know why, I never thought to get jeans from Billabong. Nana and I are just gonna spend our last day together here before I leave early tomorrow morning. Dad, we got your Wonder Bar, and we'll make sure it gets to you in Texas. What is it?
Hangover kit.
Currently in Urban Outfitters. We just got home from being out all day and I wanted to do a quick little haul. I only got 2 things from Sephora, but I wanted to share them because I'm really excited to use them. First off, had to get a refill because my beauty blender that I currently have is so dirty and old. I don't even want to know what I'm putting on my face. Really excited to use this. I'm gonna wear it for the first time tomorrow. It is the Merit Day Glow Highlighting Balm, and I got it in the shade Citrine. This glowy bronzy highlighter, and I already know it's gonna look so good in the sun. That's my little Sephora haul. Nana is taking a nap right now. She's having her afternoon nap, and I think I might close my eyes for a second, but then I want to go on a walk outside and kind of just soak in the last bit of time that I have here before I head home.